Hi, hello, welcome to the channel. Thank you for coming to another vlog. Today is a product review. I'm so excited. If y'all can see my face, I'm so happy. I had brought a ZV1 camera on Friday, and I had a ZV1 a couple of years back. And I just love that camera. It is small, it's compact, and you could take it everywhere with you. You can fit it in your pocket, you pull it out. It has great audio on there. The pictures was coming out good. I don't not no big camera person. I mean, my iPhone, I'm like, the pictures look fabulous on there. But then I start learning about photography and stuff like that. I still love my ZV1, and my camera broke and it cost too much money to fix it. I had to buy another one. So they have all these new ones come out, the changeable lens. I don't care about that. I love my ZV1, and then I had bought from Amazon a wide angle lens that you can glue your ZV1 camera, and it takes wide angle shots, even macro shots it could take. It was amazing to me. That was great. So I said, I can't wait till I get the money to get me a ZV1 camera. I got it. And then I started looking at the videos, and then I came across a ZV1 versus E10. And I came across one girl video, this one right here. I'm gonna link her somewhere up here. And ZV1, if y'all not paying her, she's selling y'all stuff, ZV10. Because the next day, I went back to Best Buy. Look what I got, which is Friday I bought it. Saturday I came across the video. Today is Sunday. And I just had to go get a ZV-E10, and I'm excited. I'm not a camera person. I'm not a photographer. I didn't even learn everything on the ZV1 camera. I brought it so I could learn it. I said, I'm going to buy it again. I'm going to really work with the camera, learn everything about the camera before I get something new. But when I came across this video, it's in the description somewhere in this video. When I came across her video, I can't even think of her name right now. I'm having a block because I'm so crazy about my ZV10 with a kit lens. I am big balling. I know y'all want to be doing the Canon and all those big. This is a big deal to me. This is a big deal. Now, I had took some photos that I'm gonna link later in the video with the ZV1 when I had it on Friday. I said, let me go take some pictures and things like that. And I did. I didn't get to do an open box. It wasn't a big deal. It's like I got another ZV1 camera. But this one, I was like, I have to do a review on it. Okay. I am unboxing it with you guys. I didn't open it. I opened it, but I didn't do the whole taking it out and going through the whole thing and just feeling and touching the camera. So I'm doing it with you guys. And okay, this is the box. Now I'm on my phone. I'm on my iPhone now doing this video. The next time you see me doing a video, a blog, it is going to be on the ZV E10. Okay, let me see how I can put this down so you guys can actually see it. Y'all don't have to. Touch the camera. Okay, stop, Leon. Stop. Okay, okay, the big deal about me going back to return the ZV1 and get the ZV-E10 is this here, the battery. This battery, I hear, it's a world of different. And whoever had the ZV1 or have it, a CV1, ZV1, y'all know the battery don't last. You be doing a video, boop, it goes out. They said this lasts long, double the amount as a ZV1. So this is a big deal for me, the battery. To get a good lasting battery on the camera, I'm not used to that because the ZV1, that was my first camera and I have like 10, 15 batteries for that. And if you have a ZV1, I'm selling the batteries. I have a couple of pieces to that ZV1. Just let me know. The mic, this wind protector, it looks just like the one I got for the ZV1. And I have it from my old one, so I have two of them now. Now, this is a strap. I like this strap. This didn't come with the ZV1. Y'all didn't have this in the box. Now, this strap, okay. It came with the ZV E10. Okay. Oh, did I break something? Oh, okay. It's a nice strong strap. The word Sony on it. I like it. Okay. That can go on my camera. Wait. What is this? This is, wait, you guys. I'm not sure what's going on here. I'm used to my ZV1. Oh, okay. Now I feel this is a plug. Oh, it comes with a plug, a USB that I can charge my phone with. Okay. I charge my camera. And this is, I thought I was getting two batteries. I was like, hey, wait, what's going on? And this is the charging. You can charge it with the USB outlet charger, or you can buy the battery charger. And I will be buying more batteries for this. I just saw a 3-pack of battery on Amazon, and I'm going to do a video about the accessories that I'm buying for my ZV E10. Okay, guys. Woo-hoo. Here it comes. It's just much heavier than the ZV10. I mean, the ZV1. If you have a ZV1, you're going to know right out the box, this is a lot heavier. And it just seemed like I'm a professional. I feel professional with this camera. Okay. The battery is different, but the screen reviewer is the same. I like this, because you can get pictures down and it's heavy. My tripod is kind of light. I don't know how that's going to work. The buttons are all still in the same place. FN, the view the pictures, delete. Everything is practically the same as the ZV1. It's a little different up here. You got the focus mode, where you take the picture. It's a little different. I gotta look at a couple of videos, but I'm excited. This feels good. Let me put the battery in. Okay. This part here, I guess that's where you put the straps on to hold it. I don't know if I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to see. Now, how do you open the case? It's about the same. I don't know if the battery have charge on it. Let's see how that works. I think the battery goes in this way. Yes, perfect. The battery is much bigger than the ZV1 battery. I'm going to show you that battery later. Now, okay, with the ZV1, what I like is when you open up the screen viewer, the camera comes right up. The lens open up and it comes right on. This one, maybe you got to press a button. Don't tell me the camera is completely dead. Oh, wait, did I turn it on? See, it's something. The camera wasn't even on. You have to turn this camera on. Then, wait, why my camera is not coming on? You want to tell me the battery is dead? Okay. I have to do a little more research, maybe because this wasn't on. I don't know. The way the kit lens is on, I don't think it would spring out. If you have a ZV1 camera, and you can put a mic on top of here. And let me see, where are they ports? Oh, okay. The same port, the jack for the mic, a C port, and I think that's a USB port. Same thing. Practically the same. Now, I think I have to charge this, okay? But this camera looks beautiful. Oh my God, this looks professional. Ooh, girl, I'm gonna be taking some beautiful pictures. Okay, guys, this is it. This is the ZV-E10 unboxing. I hope you enjoy. Look out for some more photos to come. And in this video, I might link it up with another video and edit it all together because I want to put pictures down, pictures in when I took pictures with my ZV1 when I had it on Friday. And in the same spot, I'm going to go take pictures with the ZV-E10. Beautiful camera, beautiful looking camera. I want to see how it performs. Okay. I think I gotta charge it. Now, thank you for coming to the video. If you like it, make sure you subscribe. It will help my channel to grow, and I can bring you guys some more product reviews of things that I think is helpful and good to use. I will be sharing it with you guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed today and each and every day. And never, ever, ever let anyone steal your joy. Bye, guys.